been feeling something for you lately. And I am trying.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is 8-minute instant cleaning motivation. A lot of you love these videos because they're quick and packed with extreme cleaning motivation. And if this is your first time watching these types of videos, I don't worry too much about changing the angles and there is no fancy editing, just raw cleaning motivation. I also speed up my clips a lot more so I can fit as much as I can in these 8 minutes. Today I started in the bedroom with stripping the bed and putting fresh sheets and bedding on. I like to do that at least once a week because I love how fresh the room smells and I fall asleep a lot easier.
When you're not around, because it matters, dreaming of your kisses in the nighttime, knowing what I'm missing, but I feel like, hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm fine, but I'm scattered, we're just friends. Oh no.
Next, I'm taking care of this laundry room. There are clothes everywhere on the floor, so I will sort them into the laundry basket and I will also start a load of laundry so it will be ready for me to hang at the end of the video. And after I'm done with that, I will go back into the bedroom and fold the clothes that were drying on the drying rack to make space for later.
I say that I'm alright, but cry on the inside. I wish you were my man. Hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm doing just fine, but I'm scattered, and I cry when you're not around, because it matters, dreaming of your kisses in the nighttime, knowing what I'm missing, but I feel like, hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm fine, but I'm scattered, we're just friends. Oh, yeah, I'm scattered, we're just friends. Just friends. So I stay awake, I don't wanna be dreaming, cause my heart aches when I wake up, it's deceiving. Why, oh why can't it be you?
Now I'm moving into the living room and I'm just tidying up in here, and I will also vacuum because the floors were so dirty. It's been raining for a couple of days here, so I'm vacuuming and mopping constantly because my dog brings a lot of mud and dirt in the house. We always wipe her paws and let her dry before we let her in the living room, but she still manages to bring a lot in.
In the nighttime, knowing what I'm missing, but I feel like, hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm doing just fine, but I'm scattered, and I cry when you're not around, because it matters, dreaming of your kisses in the nighttime, knowing what I'm missing, but I feel like, hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm fine, but I'm scattered, we're just friends.
So you think you were right? Bring it on, prove me wrong.
Next on my to-do list is my bathroom. I won't clean the entire bathroom today, only the sink and the shelf above the sink. I cleaned the toilet yesterday and my bathtub a few days before, so I'm only taking care of this. I will take everything off the shelf and wipe it down and then put everything back. I will also wipe down the space in the bathtub where we keep all of our products.
Take you in my trust. Oh, no. You know that ain't the way. Oh, no. There's nothing new in this game. You got to give it up, give it up. Give it up, give it up. I'm wearing you out. Keep on keeping on every night. Way up in the clouds. The where do will knock you down.
Next room I'm going to clean is our kitchen. I usually clean my kitchen first and then the rest of the house, but today I decided that I will leave it for the end. I'm going to wash all the dishes, scrub the stove top and the sink, and wipe down the counters.
You know that ain't the way. Oh, no. There's nothing new in this game. You got to You know there's an ocean between us. You want me to take you in my trust. You got to give it up. You know that ain't the way. Ain't the way. Oh no, 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 no. There's nothing new in this game. You got to give it. You got to give it up, give it up. But you got to give it up, give it up. You got to give it up, give it up. No, no, no. Give it up, give it up. You got to give it up, give it up. Give it up, give it up. Hey, like me, I love when you groove like that. Boy, can't you talk to me?
And now the last thing I have to do is hang that clean laundry that I started in the beginning. And that is everything for today's video. I hope it motivated you to clean your own home. If you aren't subscribed already, please do. And of course, leave a like if you enjoyed. It helps me a lot. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye!
If you just kiss me slowly and hide me in your arms. If I could make you see it, baby, with me something, something to make the starlight jealous up above. Oh, you make me up, hey, lights go out when I see you moving up, hey, like me up. I love when you groove like that. Oh, hey, could be us, kissing in the moonlight. Hey, I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. Oh, 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 I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. Sometimes you think about all the ways I'm making you smile. I know I am what you need, and boy, you're just my type.